reading friends. It's December, and I know you are really getting in the holiday spirit with all things Christmassy exploding around us, lights, presents, trees, shopping. But I wanted to invite you to settle down and enjoy some wonderful stories here in the happy place to grow with me, Mrs. Davis. I want to share with you some special Christmas stories, and I really want to focus on this guy back here, the gingerbread boy, man, all things gingy. I've recorded some really fun gingerbread stories. We've got traditional tales of the gingerbread man, where he runs and everybody's trying to catch him and eat him. And then finally, you know the story. But I've also discovered some really cool gingerbread expansions. There's this story called The Gingerbread Girl, and I'm going to read it to you and share it with you. I want you to enjoy this fun one. Yeah, girl power. And then this is a really cute one. Part 2, The Gingerbread Girl, goes animal crackers. This one's cute too. And if you look hard enough, you'll find all kinds of gingerbread, different stories with the character gingerbread. The Gingerbread Man, that looks fun. And then the Gingerbread Man loose at the zoo. Yeah, I want you to just look around and enjoy all things gingerbread. Ginger is part of Christmas. Gingerbread houses, gingerbread cookies. And I always told my students, gingerbread cookies are the cookies that bite you back. They have a little bit of a spicy nip to them. In the links that I'm going to link below are all things gingerbread. I've got gingerbread stories, but I've also got some gingerbread science. I've got some gingerbread baking fun and some gingerbread math where we're going to be measuring gingerbread cookies, paper cookies. We're going to see how long his arm is, head, compare and contrast. So, hey, don't just think about the gingerbread man as that traditional tale. You can also expand your learning with fun art. You can bake. You can do math and science. Join me by clicking the links below to discover some really fun all things gingerbread. All right. And I've got some really fun stories about Christmas, the Grinch on my channel. So check out all the fun Christmas stories and enjoy all things reading this Christmas, this December. Okay, click those links and have a really delicious gingy one. I'll see you real soon.